Wagwan goodie, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video, and thank you to my 344 subscribers. I think I gained like 9 subscribers since my last video, so you know, I'm really happy about that. So today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about the BH Studio Pro powder from BH Cosmetics, and I've been comparing it to my MAC Studio Fix. This is not my first time wearing this powder. It's not. I love MAC's Studio Fix powder. I am an NC45. The thing, you see how old this thing is? Okay, this powder is almost done. Trying out it's not new, it's old. And when I researched videos on this powder, I saw videos from 3-4 years ago talking about this powder and saying that it was a dupe for the MAC Studio Fix. I don't know how I never saw that, I don't know, because I've been spending a lot of money on this MAC powder over the years. So this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Fix powder, and it look really similar, don't it? Like the color.
Okay, let me give you some specs on this powder. I am wearing color 240, and again, this is from BH Cosmetics, and on their website, they are describing this powder as silky and gorgeous. This matte powder applies smoothly with light coverage while absorbing excess oils. I agree with everything that they said. It is silky, it is gorgeous, it is a matte powder, absolutely. And it does provide light coverage while absorbing excess oils. I can definitely agree with that because I am combination oily skin. Also on the website, it states that the benefits of this powder is that it's paraben and oil-free, hyaluronic acid, naturally moisturizing hydration, oil absorption powder, sheer to medium coverage, non-irritating formula, clinically tested, allergy tested, vegan. This is wonderful to hear that this powder is vegan. This is an absolutely great dupe for the MAC Cosmetics. Obviously, if you can afford MAC, then buy it. I have been buying it for years. I love that powder. But it also made me really happy that I could find a dupe for this powder. And on the website, this powder retails for $9.50, and trust me when I say BH Cosmetics is always having a sale, because currently on the website, as I'm looking at it, they're having a 30% off sale, and this powder is now $6.65. And the MAC powder retails for about $30. So it is a win-win. You see my face. This is a beautiful dupe and alternative to the MAC Studio Fix powder. I highly recommend it.